Welcome to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for the latest reviews, updates, and insights on the world's most exciting vehicles. In today's video, we're diving into the powerful and luxurious 2026 Chrysler 300C. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on exclusive car reviews and updates from Auto Drive. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any key features that make the 2026 Chrysler 300C stand out in its class. Under the hood, the 2026 Chrysler 300C offers impressive powertrain options, including a high-performance V8 engine delivering remarkable horsepower and torque for a thrilling drive. You also have the option of a more fuel-efficient V6 depending on your needs. The transmission is a smooth shifting automatic with multiple gears for optimum performance and efficiency. The vehicle supports rear-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available for improved traction and control in all conditions. The interior of the 300C reflects true American luxury. With seating for 5, passengers enjoy premium leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, wood and chrome accents, and a spacious cabin that focuses on comfort and craftsmanship. The infotainment system is loaded with features such as GPS navigation, a premium radio setup, and Bluetooth connectivity. Convenience features like power windows, door locks, cruise control, and an available sunroof elevate the overall experience. On the outside, this full-size sedan boasts a bold and commanding design with a signature grille, stylish LED lighting, and available trim packages that add sporty or elegant visual flair. Its dimensions ensure a strong road presence, while the long wheelbase supports a smoother ride. Suspension comes with an advanced independent setup and responsive rack and pinion steering for confident handling. The braking system includes large disc brakes on all 4 wheels, providing excellent stopping power. Safety remains a top priority with multiple airbags, electronic stability control, and an anti-lock braking system. These features, along with the solid chassis design, contribute to both comfort and peace of mind. Unique trims and special editions further enhance the appeal for those wanting something extra. This is not just a sedan, it's a statement of performance, technology, and sophistication. Stay tuned till the end of the video to catch the final verdict. If you're passionate about cars like we are, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive for more powerful reviews and upcoming vehicle insights.